Rolling Thunder by Kate Messner, illustrated by Greg Ruth. Published by Scholastic Press. Rolling thunder, freedom ride, today we'll be at Grandpa's side. Early morning, leaving home, gleaming wheels and polished chrome. Grandpa rides for Joe and Tom, friends he lost in Vietnam. Clicking, clacking railroad track, our trip is for Uncle Zach. Flying airplanes far away, his picture rides with me today. Through my window, buildings, towns, meadows rich with greens and browns. Now our journey's almost done, Obelisk and setting sun. Pentagon and city lights, finally our camping sites. Grandpa's friends with arms of steel greet us and prepare a meal. Potomac River, dark and deep, whispered memories, friendship, sleep. Way too early morning light blooms from pink to yellow bright. Lines of bikes are miles long, shining 500,000 strong. Rumbling, grumbling, engines roar. Peace signs, high fives, spirits soar. Motors growling, roaring near, crowds that cry and wave and cheer, raising flags of white and black for those who never made it back. For soldiers lost in other days, POWs, MIAs. For soldiers serving still today, missing families far away, rolling, slowing to a crawl, stopping, there it is. The wall, polished marble, stark and bare, touch a name and say a prayer. Leave a single flower, kneel, names in charcoal, cry and heal. Memories, speeches, quiet crowd, bugle song and heads are bowed. Setting sun and rising moon, whispered wishes, come home soon. Bound by war, forever tied, one last look, it's time to ride. Rising smoke and glowing ember, ride for freedom, ride, remember. Author's note. Every year on Memorial Day weekend, veterans and their supporters gather in Washington, D.C. for the Rolling Thunder Ride for Freedom, a demonstration honoring America's veterans. Motorcycle riders number in the hundreds of thousands. Many more come to watch and wave, all with a common message: we will never forget. In 2020, the ride Rolling to Remember will remain on Memorial Day weekend to continue the tradition of Rolling Thunder. The end. We hope that you enjoyed this reading of Rolling Thunder. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.